Oh yeah, just open the door. Oh, here it is. See that? Oh, actually, swing door. I'll let these guys get their cab here. Here's the... Is it original?
Oh my god.
Yes.
This is beautiful.
Very, very unique.
Oh, I can't wait.
Look how high it is.
Whoa!
Okay, let's be quiet.
That's so cool. Can I switch spots?
Yeah, they're situated in all kind of buttons. I think they're Pacific. They're probably their own countries.
This cab is beautiful. I love the turquoise.
Yeah, this thing's crazy. Glad I came back.
My head goes up to like here. Color hammer.
These might be Cutler Hammer.
That's color hammer.
Big
Oh,
guy.
hell.
L. Oh, no, one more time.
That's
Switch.
so
We're rotating. Look at this panel. Pico.
Oh, we're stopping. What do I do? Stand here?
There's a door closed, but no door
Just
open.
have the security stop.
Not very. This is sick. It's like covered in like a thing. L? L's burnt out. Look at the arrow.
So weird how there's a fake door in front of it.
Yeah.
I would assume it's to make it look like all the apartments.
I don't know.
Or to make it quieter.
Maybe.
Actually, yeah, that's probably it.
Might be it.
It's mirrored up there.
Hello.
Dude, this thing is like.
Yeah, look at how it's all packed in here.
It's pretty small. Not the smallest one we've been in.
This thing's in really good shape.